I know the winter is almost over, but I have another video about the nighttime photo walk in the snow. This video is from 2 years ago and I used my Pentax 645N with the 45 to 85mm lens and loaded it with Portra 800. Of course, I had a tripod and used a self timer to avoid shaky images. Here's my first shot from this view and I really like how clean the image is. Then I took another photo from this bird feeder and again the colors and level of details are very good. Here I noticed this house in the distance with their Christmas lights still on while everyone else had turned theirs off. I think it's a good shot. Then I went to this snow-covered playground and took this photo. I like that it has an apocalyptic vibe to it. Then I saw another house standing out around the neighbors. This time my photo is not as good. Here again I found another house with their Christmas lights on. I like how the photo shows the warm colors in the middle of all the snow. Then I took this shot, which is not good, but maybe it's a little bit better with a square crop. Here, this snow-covered bench caught my eye, but now that I look at it, I think it's better to get rid of the bench, and I think this panoramic crop is perfect. Then I was about to take a photo of this snow-covered mailbox that my camera suddenly died in the cold. It just showed this error and refused to take any photo. It had happened to me before and I'm not sure if it's a battery issue or the internal mechanism of the camera jams because of the cold. I brought the camera in and after giving it enough time to warm up, I took it out of the bag. Then I used a pen to push this rewind button at the bottom of the camera. It rewinds the unfinished film. Of course, it means that you lose the portion of the roll after the error message, but the bright side is that I got to save the first half of my roll. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram.